Hey guys, guess what? I'm making something a little more creative. It's not traditional Thai, but it has Thai spices in it. And can I just tell you, it's freaking wings. Like, who doesn't love wings, right? I know. So, anyways, guys, there are so many types of different ways to make this special sauce, but it's called Pad Thai wings. And I know if you like Thai food, guess what? I know you've had Pad Thai before, or maybe not. I don't know, but if you haven't, go out and try it. It's really good. So, I was in the store the other day. My husband and I, we were at Sam's Club, and we found this. This is called Firecracker Sauce. Can y'all see that? Okay. Can I just tell you, it is so similar to the creation I make. We're going to actually do too. So we're going to use this tonight as well as putting together everything. So come on back, come watch, see how I make the special sauce if you really want to be brave and do it from scratch. Or just go to the store and buy some of this, because I think I found something. The only thing that I don't like is that it's got a lot of preservatives, okay? But that's okay though, because I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna show you how to make it from scratch with a little kick in it. Look, I got cloves. I found some. Like, I really need them because I'm just cooking for my family. Like, who cares? But it's all good because some of you guys are like, ugh. Anyways, guys, you're gonna need some chicken. Some chicken wings. You can cut your own chicken wings or whatever. I actually bought these in the frozen section. I'm being lazy today. We have that right. So you take your chicken, guys, and you want to dry it, pat dry it, because that helps the herbs and spices, you know, kind of hit to it. Yep. Come back. I'm going to finish up the rest. I'm going to put this sauce together, the breading and everything, and you're going to see how it gets all done, guys. I cannot wait. Go grab your beer. If you're a drinker, go grab it. You're going to want it for your wings. Hey guys, are you ready to make this stuff? We are getting ready to make the sauce. You want to make this sauce first before you start frying, because those wings are going to be double fried. I know. If you have an air fryer, I don't know how that works for you guys, but you can try it in an air fryer. I don't know. I don't want to buy one. I'm just doing it this way. That's probably why I got this. Anyways, so let's make this sauce. All right, guys, you ready to make this sauce? So, you know, I don't like to measure. You know I don't. But in the description below, you guys know where the recipe is. My blog, YouTube, Facebook, whatever. Come find me. Come find me. So, you need a bowl, of course, right? And you're going to need some sweet chili sauce. I know you can buy this in any Asian grocery store. I think they sell it in Walmart too. Like I said, I don't measure, but I will give you the measurements. It's usually about 1/3 of a cup, okay? And add as much as you want or less. It's up to you. I mean, you know, sriracha. Oh, do I have it open? Y'all know what that is, right? That's the good stuff. Put some sriracha in there, just like that, okay? And then you're going to need some fish sauce, about 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. That's how I measure. I don't know how you guys measure, but that's how I measure. And guess what? That's it. This is it. Yeah, I know. And you just stir it around like that. Look at that. All right, guys. And then there are 2 other things you're going to need as well. It's fried garlic. If you don't have fried garlic, this is my cheat sheet, guys. My little cheat ingredient, because I don't feel like frying up all those garlic. Ugh. It's just too much work. So I buy this. This and some cilantro is going to be part of this dressing, but you don't put it on till last. So when we come back, I'm going to show you how to put the flour together. Guys, how are you? So guess what? Look, I have coconut flour, right? And for you guys who are keto or trying to cut back on your sugar, make sure you look at those ingredients, because honestly, I can't really tell you. I know the sweet chili sauce is bad for you, but there are other options. If you don't want to use that, guess what you can do? You can use your monk fruit or swerve, whatever. But anyways, I'm using coconut flour. Yeah, it's kind of hard. I've had it for a while. So we're going to use the coconut flour first. And if you want to add onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, this is the time to do it, okay? You're going to dredge it in here. And guys, look, there's no eggs. There's no eggs. This is going to be so freaking good. You're going to want it. Oh my God, you came back? You really want to see what this looks like? I'm so happy you guys did. So I'm going to finish off dredging this. And you only have to do it once. And you know the beauty of coconut flour? It's kind of like breadcrumbs in some aspects. It's got a little grit to it. But I like it. I like the way, and it's really not coconutty. Like coconut tea. Coconut flavor. Good gracious, I'm telling you. Anyway, so there you guys. Shake off your excess, okay? Go get your frying pan. You got a cast iron pan? That's the best way to fry things. You go get some oil and you go heat that bad boy up to 350. Because guess what? We're frying them twice. Guys, I almost forgot one key ingredient, and that is palm sugar. Like I said, you don't have to use this, but it's okay because this is good. And as you notice, it's hard as a freaking rock. When you go to an Asian grocery store and you buy these, it comes in these kinds of blocks. Sometimes they come in circles. Sometimes they come in all kinds of different shapes. I've yet to find a liquid form, okay? So, it's a pain in the butt to try to get it apart. You can use a peeler, but what I found is if you just take your knife and you just trim it away like this, it's so much easier. And guys, no, you don't want to do the whole thing. Then the reason for that is because it'll all stick back together. Trust me, I know. Have you guys seen the process on how they make this? Gosh, look it up on YouTube. I'm telling you. So you're going to need about a 1/3 cup of this, okay? And then you're going to add it to your sauce. And you're supposed to cook it on the stove, but you know me, I like to do things a little bit different than the rest of the world. It's going in the microwave. Yep. And then we're going to bring it back out. We're going to fry our wings. And then we're going to eat them. Girl, look, we gonna be professionals. Woo! We got gloves. Guys, if you don't know, this is my friend Kim. She is my sidekick, my partner. And she's coming over to help make these wings. So as you can see, I've already double fried them, okay? And we are going to use the 2 different sauces. So you take that half, I'm gonna take half. Here you go. I don't even know how many's in here. We're just gonna go. Here we go.
Looks so good.
Oh my God. Aren't they kind of crunchy?
They are, but I love crunchy wings.
I made these breaded in coconut flour. Right? Okay, so I have the pad thai sauce. And guys, when I did this video, I totally forgot to tell you to add the,
Tamarind.
Yeah, thank you. God, see, what would I do without her? So we're going to throw this in here.
And I have this awesome firecracker sauce.
We got that. Again, guys, we got that at Sam's Club. I really don't know how much, but I wouldn't put all of it in there.
Okay.
And then, guys, get your hands in here. Just like that. Right, we're going to be done here soon. You can't taste it yet because there's still one extra special ingredient. So we're going to put this all together. And Kim, we got some nuts that's got to go in the Thai one I made. And you got, you know.
Is that what this is for?
Yeah. Can you say sakabua?
Sakabua?
Sock.
Sock.
Boy.
Boy.
Sakabua.
Sakaboy.
Buh.
I think I'm saying something inappropriate.
Just beat it. Okay. Just beat it until it's small. Don't put it in a grinder or a blender because eventually it turns into peanut butter. Okay? You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a suckaboo.
Suckaboo.
You said it!
Third time's a charm.
Okay, that looks good.
Good?
All right, go ahead and dump it in the sauce. And guys, this is the fried garlic. The one that I cheated because I'm too lazy to fry my own. I love garlic. I don't want my house to smell like garlic all the doggone time. I'll take that from you. Go ahead and put about a tablespoon of that in there. It's nice having a helper. It's so nice.
I love helping because I get to eat the food.
Yeah, she gets to take meals home. But guess what, Kim? You in competition now. Because there are people that have found me that are local and said, I'll be your taste tester.
Tough shit.
All right, girl, come on. Mix that stuff around. Ooh, this looks good. Yeah?
Yes.
Put a couple on a plate and see if you want to take a little test.
I do.
You do. You gotta take a little bit of cilantro, guys, like this. Just a little bit. Oh, girl, you trying to make it look pretty. Look at this. Girl, you came just in time. Just in time. I made some pad thai chicken wings. You gotta try this. Look.
Can I?
Yeah, maybe one. You can just maybe have one.
Have one?
Just one.
Just one?
Yep.
Okay.
Just one.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let me see. What's your face? That's what I say. What's your face? Oh!
God.
Is it good?
Girl. It's sweet. And then you have some heat and a little spicy. And then you have the crunch from the peanuts and you get a little bit of the freshness from the cilantro. Oh my.
You want a napkin?
No.
Is
Lick
finger
it off
licking
of me.
good?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
Oh my God. Guys, look at this mess. Those are called pad thai. All right, guys, we're back. Oh my God. She loved it. She loved it.
Yes.
Right?
I am smitten.
Pad
Thai wings. I would have never thought to put wings and pad thai together, but it is phenomenal. Like, I'm amazed. I'm like shocked at how good those wings are. I love wings.
I know.
And they're so good.
So let's try that sauce. Go ahead and put some on the plate so everyone can see. My God, they look perfect. Kim, don't you think them wings would taste good being on the grill or smoked?
Girl.
Right?
Yes.
I think we came up with another recipe.
I think you would be on a trip to Flavor Town.
Oh.
You have the extra smoky.
Whoop, whoop,
Girl.
whoop. All
Yes.
right, girl. We're gonna take these to Chad. I'm sure you're gonna want to bite, but you can wait, right?
Yeah, I'll let him do the honors of tasting first, because I ate a lot of pad thai wings. I don't even want to admit.
Look, she didn't even want the napkin, okay? It was finger licking.
I
good.
licked my fingers, guys, but I washed my hands.
She did. We even washed that other thing. You know, we forget how to be professional. Look, we don't have gloves on again. Oh, I was like, wait, is my hand purple? Because every time it turns purple.
When you touch your hands.
Yes.